Hey, it's Richard here with Platinum Ponds and Lake Management, and we wanted to show you here today Brian's Pond up here in Asheville, North Carolina. And we wanted to kind of show you what we've been doing to basically control algae. Algae control is really probably the #1 issue with pond management of any type of farm pond. Here you can see that we have been on a monthly basis through our membership program completely managing this water. It's so clear. It's clear as drinking water. This pond does not turn over very quickly, although it does have a little bit of a mountain stream that runs into it. But we've been treating it with bacteria and enzymes, and we've been able to get this pond to become crystal clear. And now we're just managing the algae that may occur from the sunlight piercing. But this pond is actually so clear that I wanted to show you the sandbar out on the side. You can actually see the sand right in this area here. That is actually about 1 to 2 foot deep right there. That's how clear this pond is. This is what everybody dreams about, but have been struggling for years and years. So if we can help you with your farm pond through pond management or lake management along the shoreline, just to kind of control algae, certainly look us up on the web at platinumlakes.com. Click the button below and then jump on our website. We got a ton of information. We've been working really hard with videos and good blog content, writing some articles for you so that you can learn more about how to care for your pond. Look forward to hearing from you and your comments there on our blog. Thank you and have a great day.